welcome back to Food and Travel with Festive Forever. Today's vlog is going to be very scrumptious because we are going to eat an unlimited vegetarian thali which comprises of Rajasthani and Gujarati dishes. This restaurant is called Rasa Utsav, which is located at Andheri West. So many dishes to enjoy at such a reasonable price. This sentence itself makes me so happy. Let's go. Let's have introduction to our thali. There are total 32 dishes in this Gujarati Rajasthani thali. Also 32 dishes matlab chutney, papad sab include karke. So let's have a look. So this is dal bati fruit salad. Two types of dal. One is Gujarati and the other is Rajasthani type of dal. Kadhi, mixed bhaji, aloo ki sabzi, malai corn, bhindi ki sabzi. So this is our papad churi and then पूरी भाकरी पराठा रोटी थोड़ा सा मक्खन भी डाल के देते हैं लाइक बटर एंड देन सम गुड़ एंड घी. दिस इज चूरमा एंड दिस इज पपाया हलवा, आलू टिक्की, ढोकला, चटनी, लहसुन की चटनी एंड ग्रीन चटनी. हियर वी हैव पुलाव, खिचड़ी, मालपुआ विथ रबड़ी एंड माई डिलिशियस छाछ दैट इज बटर मिल्क. Now let's eat. First I'm going to eat this dal bati. बड़ी सिंपल सी दाल है एंड देन देयर इज़ बाटी को पूरा ऐसा थोड़ा चूरा करके डाला है. उसके बाद इट्स वेरी देयर फ्लेवर्स एंड टेस्ट आर वेरी माइल्ड. इफ़ यू नो दैट बाटी इज़ लाइक रोटी का आटा, बस आटे को ऐसा गोल गोल करके पका देते हैं. And then they have added a good amount of ghee. In case you want to add some more ghee, you can just tell them. Dal is very simple and plain. I think this is Rajasthan ki staple dish and it's so tasty, man. Next thing that we are going to eat is this tikki. Tikki is just like that because they just wanted to add certain other dishes also. Aloo tikki is so hot and crispy. It's like directly from the oil. It's very fresh. The aloo tikki is filled with corn, potato. The filling is nice. Somewhere they have also added beetroot. It's tasting good. In fact, I feel that they are serving every single dish very hot and fresh. Loving it. Yum. Third thing which is directly from the Gujarat, that is our dhokla. थोड़ा सा ढोकला खा लेते हैं. सो ऑफ कोर्स दिस इज वाइट ढोकला. has a very little amount of sweetness and they have also added some red chili powder, so it's kind of sweet and spicy. Very thin slice and delicious. If you want, you can just dip this into this green chutney and enjoy. Now the next thing that I want to relish is this paratha. Garam garam paratha with lots of ghee. Okay. The paratha is actually filled with aloo and बहुत ही plain सा flavor है, like it's not too much but it's tasting good with the correct amount of ghee. I'm just gonna add little bit of butter and some gur. In Maharashtrians, or you can say जो Maharashtrian लोग होते हैं, so they have this sweet dish called puran poli, which is made from dal and roti. Similar taste है. Of course, they have added potato, but when I'm enjoying this with lots of butter, ghee and gur, I'm getting that kind of feeling. After eating some spicy and sweet food, I really want to eat this papad churi. I really like the combination of papad churi and dal khichdi. Spicy, crispy, and of course papad तो delicious होता ही है. Now let's go to our next dish, that is this puri. I feel with puri there is just one bhaji which goes very beautiful, that is aloo. So I'm going to take a bite of this aloo. We have all heard, right, aloo puri. Basically this is a tomato gravy and they have added potato in it. थोड़ा spicy है. I like it because I love spicy food, and with puri it's tasting super delicious. They have also added jeera and coriander, but I feel it's more on the spicier side rather than, you know, थोड़ा सा ऐसा जीरा का या धनिया का उतना टेस्ट नहीं है, but then it's very spicy and yummy. बीच बीच में ना you get this very delicious thing called छाछ, which I love it, and it's very chilled. I think I prefer little salty. This contains a very little salt. I think I'm gonna just inform them to add a little salt because I feel छाछ ना थोड़ा सा salty होता है ना, then it tastes better. So while eating this delicious aloo ki sabzi, I got to know that there is ragodi also, which is like a type of papad. After I think having 3 to 4 bites, I realized, मतलब 3-4 बाइट होने के बाद मुझे realize हुआ कि इसमें और भी कुछ है. So I asked them and it was ragodi, which is like a papad. Next we are going to eat this bhakri and some mixed bhaji. This is like a sprout bhaji, or you can say sprout, chana and dal, all the types of grains. It's that kind of bhaji, or you can say it's a mixed grain bhaji. Mixed grain sabzi, but I feel this sabzi is okay types, or maybe for me it's okay, but I really like the potato one. Now let's eat some roti and corn malai. Actually it's made from corn and malai. Both of them I think contains certain amount of sweetness, so this sabzi or this vegetable won't work for me. थोड़ा सा again पापड़ चूरी खा लेते हैं. भिंडी की सब्जी, After aloo ki sabzi, I think the next thing that I liked is this bhindi ki sabzi. Basically, it's made from tomato and bhindi. Along with that, I think they have added green chilies. So it's kind of a mixture of green chilies, bhindi and some tomatoes. बहुत ही basic है, but delicious. So here they also had this thing called mirchi ka thesa, which I feel is also a Maharashtrian dish. We also make this mirchi ka thesa, you know. I love it. Whenever mirchi ka thesa is made at my place, it's so spicy, very difficult to consume. But this is kind of balanced, like it's a little spicy, but not that much कि मतलब you are not able to eat it only. ऐसा सीन नहीं है. I can eat it. but I love mirchi ka thesa, and like being a Maharashtrian, I really like to eat mirchi ka thesa along with bhakri. That's my favorite kind of dish. Ah, yummy. So let's keep this aside because it's time to enjoy our delicious rice. In this rice, along with some jeera, coriander and curry leaves, they have also added kishmish. And here we have two types of dal and some curry. So first I'm just gonna taste curry. Okay, this is actually a little sweet. So first we are gonna taste all the three things, and then I'm gonna add whichever dal or curry I like. I think my type of dal is this one. So this curry is little on the sweeter side, probably because it's a Gujarati dish, and the dal is also meaty. So both of them are like sweet dal and sweet curry. I'm gonna add this dal and some lasan ka chutney. This lasan ka chutney is good, huh? If you come here, then do try the lasan ka chutney. It's very tasty. Even the coconut chutney is good for that matter. I really like this combination of dal, pulao along with some garlic chutney. I should tell them to pour certain amount of ghee in my rice so that it tastes even better. One of my favorite thing, or you can say that it's my comfort food, is this dal khichdi. I really want to add some ghee on the top. Excuse me. वो घी डालने बोल दो ना. I just love adding ghee to my khichdi, and I think he just poured like 1 tablespoon, which is like a very good amount. Let's add some papad to it. God, it's a heavy bite. Matar, jeera, ghee, dal, rice, coriander leaves. Yum. Dal khichdi was so heavy because I added ghee in it, and you guys saw it, the quantity of it, it was so much. Now let's eat some dessert. We have almost finished everything else, and it's time to enjoy our papaya halwa. बहुत ही मीठा है, एक्सट्रीम मीठा. It's more similar to दूधी का हलवा जो होता है ना, it's pretty much similar to that, and they have added a very good quantity of ghee, like a very good quantity. I can totally taste a lot of ghee. Now let's try our star dessert. That is malpuha with some rabdi. Oh my god, isn't it looking beautiful? In case you want some extra rabdi, you can always instruct them. Let's keep everything just on the side. I feel like the moment I'll have this bite, easily I'm gonna put on weight. I can literally count calories on my fingers, huh? This is actually a star dessert. I really like the concept that the malpuha is on the crispier side. It's not soft. That is something I really enjoyed, or you can say I really liked it. It's time for my favorite part of the vlog, that is festive rating. The place is very decent, ambience is very good. Pricing wise, the place is very reasonable and affordable. I feel that you're getting 32 dishes at $5.49. That's like a jackpot, or it's for weekend. On Tuesdays you will get this thali at 299 plus taxes. On weekends you will get this thali at 549 plus taxes. And if you come on Wednesday, it's only for females or women that you will get this thali at 349 plus taxes. I think the prices are very reasonable for all days, but on Tuesdays it's like a jackpot. It's very affordable. The quality of food is very good. I really enjoyed. I would say that their malpuha with rabdi was delectable, and it's a special dish of Rajasthan, so they had to nail it because the restaurant serves only Rajasthani and Gujarati food. So they have only thali system. There is no a la carte. If you're looking for a la carte, then you might not find it. Service is very quick. They start serving dishes just immediately, one after the other. This restaurant is not that old. It just opened like 6 months back, which is like very recent. You must have seen that there are two types of sitting. One is indoor and the other is outdoor. Also, the music that they play is very mild, or you can say a traditional background music. So I think, considering all the factors, that is pricing, ambience, staff, presentation, food, and the number of dishes that they served, I'm gonna rate this place 9.2 out of 10 on my festive meter. Location wise also the place is good because it's just in Andheri, and in case you're living in Andheri, then you can just pop up someday here. I hope you come here. If you come here, please don't forget to tag me on my Instagram, that is Festive Forever 4. Also, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel because it helps my channel to grow. So guys, I think that's all for today. I'm gonna see you in my next vlog. Till then, live life festive style. Bye bye.